Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen on your Android device, and let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Okay, so before the video guys starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it.
Okay, so guys, in this tutorial it's very simple. I'm going to be showing you an app that I downloaded a long time ago. I used to record my screen for previous videos. I used to use an app called YouTube Gaming, but I found that was just a hassle and took a lot more steps to set up. This app is much quicker and it's easy to access from any point on your phone, no matter what application you're on or if you're at the home screen or whatever. So I'm going to be taking a look at the app. It's called DU Recorder. Very good app, and as you can see, I don't go into the app very often, but I mainly use this pop out here. I don't know if it shows, but maybe not. If I go to the home screen, pops out here and can pause, stop, and have more settings on it. So yeah, this app's on the Play Store. DU Recorder. It's ranked very high. I'll just show you some stuff about it. So it's number 3 top 3 app for video players and editors. As you can see, it's very easy to use, useful. Best Recorder gets lots of good reviews, and yeah, it's got a very high rating, 4.8 out of 5 stars, 50 million downloads. This app's great. All it takes, you just load up the app, a little icon in the side here will show up. Oh, sorry. Little thing here, it'll show you how long you've been recording, as well as you can pause and bring up more settings and stuff like this. You can do all that cool stuff. So yeah, this is a very simple tool if you want to record your screen on your Android phone. I'm not sure if this is on iOS, but it might be. So this is great for YouTubers who want to review apps or maybe just do tutorials like me on their phone. So very handy app. Highly recommend this one to record your screen. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment what you thought. Any future videos you guys want me to make, any tutorials, questions you have, leave them in the comments. Subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed a village in Liberia. TMZ